Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and comment. Try to share this video to your network if you really love your network, so that YouTube will push us to a high level of audience. In today's video, I'm going to open your eyes to what best step index signal provider. Join VIP right now. Join VIP. Why I say this is because a lot of people in the recent time have blown away their account. Now, there are a lot of top secrets that you will never see in several of the Telegram channels or websites or any other medium where signals are served. One thing that is special about WINFXTRADING VIP signal groups is that we use ultra modern strategies that are hidden and unknown to users. Only big boss, only those that know when institutions are moving price understand. Actually, it's not just knowing how to trade as an institutional trader and all of that. It's more of applying high-level mathematical approach to trading, high-level psychological approach to trading, high-level intuitive method of trading, a kind of using a philosophical approach to trading. Actually, we also apply a lot of physics. We apply vector calculus, high-level calculus that has to do with differential calculus and integrations. You know, you won't understand this, the notion or the concept of differentials and integrals. You know, they play vital role in synthetic markets, but a lot of people don't know. That are what we call increasing function, decreasing function. That's what we call continuity. All of these are being the background behind synthetic market, but we can't expose it. It's not everything I will tell you until you join my VIP or become one of my patrons. Very soon I will be dropping link to my patrons. I will be dropping my patron link, I'm sorry, so that you also have in-depth information and knowledge that will actually make you to become the members of the airlight. You know, you become illuminated and your life will never remain the same. Thank you. Bye for now.